Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and we're excited to announce our new molded sun visors for the 61 to 66 trucks and the 66 to 77 Broncos. The original sun visors were made from cardboard and vinyl, which weren't very durable or weather resistant, especially for Broncos with open tops. At Dennis Carpenter, we've invested in new tooling to create modern, high-quality sun visors made from solid foam. These visors are the perfect replacement for your worn or missing originals. Using advanced technology, our visors are weather resistant and easy to clean, ensuring they will last for many years. Molded with a textured finish, these sun visors fit both the left and right sides, and they slide onto the Sun Visor Arm just like the originals. We offer these visors in 3 Ford factory color options to match your interior: black, red, and parchment. They can also be painted with vinyl paint if you're going for a custom look. So if you're restoring a 61 to 66 truck or a 66 to 77 Bronco, these visors will be the perfect finishing touch to your project. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.